Hello guys, today we're going to talk about the history of dainty rainforest. 4.6 billion years ago, Earth is formed. 3.5 billion years ago, first life begins on Earth. First protocells appear. Okay, now let's see. 540 million years ago, a living fossil, a small terrestrial worm, the Peripatus still lives here. Oh, this is a very old species. Let's go see. Okay, now looks like 400. Wait, yes, 460 to 360, 100 million years. The Hodgkin Formation, the geological foundation of the wet tropics, was laid down. Okay, now let's go ahead. 443 million years ago, Ordovician acceleration extinction event. Extreme glacial activity leads to destruction of 70% of all species. Oh, that was a big extinction event. Okay, 430 million years ago, early plant life begins to move from the oceans to the land. Oh, there's a lungfish here. The first time vascular plant Cooksania appears. About 20 million years ago, club mosses as biggest trees dominate the zombie planet. For 20 million years ago, present day canes would be underwater. The oldest members of the fern family, whisk ferns, are still around here today. Okay, 380 million years ago, spiders evolved. 380 million years ago, lungfish evolved. 359 million years ago, Devonian extinction event. 75% of life destroyed. 320 million years ago, king ferns appeared. These rainforest giants still exist here. 320 million years ago, seed plants appear. Now, the now extinct Glossopteris family of seed ferns dominated the southern hemisphere. 300 million years ago, dragonflies appear. The ancient Petalua species are still found here. 252 million years ago. Let's see. Cycads appear. The world's tallest and smallest cycads flourish are here even today. 343 million years ago, the Great Dying Extinction Event. 96% of all life destroyed by global warming and caused by volcanic eruptions. 210 million years ago, Queensland kauri, ancestor of the southern hemisphere's oldest conifers, see them on the boardwalk. Years ago, giant crocodiles. 210 million years ago, Queensland kauri, ancestor of the southern hemisphere, oldest conifers, see them on the boardwalk. 200 million years ago, Triassic-Jurassic extinction event. Destroyed 50% of the fauna on Earth, but plants were relatively unaffected. Okay, 200 million years ago, the around world's land masses existed as one enormous supercontinent formed, named Pangaea. Okay, 166 million years ago. Today, the platypus can be found in creeks of rivers of eastern Australia. 150 million years ago, Pangaea splits into supercontinents, Laurania and Gondwana. Okay, 145 million years ago, first flowering plants appear. The ribbonwood can be still seen in the forest today. What is now Australia? What covered in forest in where the wet tropics is born. 100 million years ago, flowers and insects flourished. together in symbols. Million years ago. Sundew, this carnivorous plant evolved in Australia and spread around the world. 66 million years ago. Cretaceous, tertiary extinction event. The death of a giant asteroid brings the death of all the dinosaurs. 65 million years ago. Dry adapted plant species evolved from rainforest plants. 60 million years ago. Birth of the Amazon rainforest. World's first songbirds evolved in the red tropics. 45 million years ago. Australia separates from Antarctica and becomes to drift northwards. 45 million years ago also. These flightless giants, the cassowary, are still found here. Okay, let's see what this is. The musk rat kangaroo, ancestor of all kangaroo, and wait. Okay, still found. It's the ancestor of all kangaroos and wallabies. Is still found in the wet tropics. 4 million years ago. See, that was 34. Now it's 10 million years ago. 10 million years ago, bats and rats enter Australia from Papua New Guinea. 4 million years ago, human ancestors evolved. 1.6 billion years ago, Earth's continents arrived to the present positions, and one still moving. 500,000 years ago, Australian megafauna hydeid, a Devon Morton, is the largest ever marsupial that has ever lived. That looks like I think that's a giant wombat.
Quickly.
Okay. 200,000 years ago, modern humans evolved. Okay, let's look. 120,000 years ago, ice ages. Let's go zoom up. Ice ages, freeze oceans. Okay, lowering the sea levels around the world. 60,000 years ago, Australia, indigenous people. 12,000 years ago, the last major ice age ends. The first fleet arrives in Australia in 1788.